Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. So in this video, I'm going to review a book for stretching, and this video is for all the medical people out there, or a physiotherapist, a strength trainer, or anyone who goes to the gym and he wants to have knowledge of some stretching. So the name of this book is Therapeutic Stretching, and this book is written by Jane Johnson, and it is a highly practical book in which has given every muscle and the practical guidance on how to do the stretching of that particular muscle and understanding why stretching is important. That is the basics. Everybody thinks that while stretching you just achieve flexibility. It's not like this. So after reading this book, many of the myths that are in your mind will also be gone. So this book includes anatomy, which is focused explanation that what is the muscle, what is the origin insertion of the muscle, and clear instructions, step-by-step guidance, and therapist hand position, the patient cues, what we have to tell the patient during the exercises, and the clinical adaptations for different conditions. So this book is not just for not just asking you to be focusing on the functional, but therapeutic stretching is not just general fitness stretching. It is not just a general fitness stretching that okay, you want a flexibility in your body, then you do stretching. It's not like this. It's way beyond the general stretching. So the some key things which you can get from this book is first is stretching with purpose, so not just randomly. So stretching must be goal oriented, like to reduce the tightness, to improve the mobility, to correct the posture, to reduce the function. So every muscle has a specific technique and intention behind the stretches. So you have to learn all these things during the stretching, that which muscle has what properties and what is the function of that muscle and how you can stretch that muscle and why you want to stretch that muscle. And the next point is one technique doesn't fit at all. There are many techniques of stretching also, like static stretching, active stretching, passive stretching, dynamic stretching, functional stretching, PNF stretching, etc, ballistic stretching. There are many types of stretching which you will learn in this book, and in other books also I have read of stretching, but book is specifically for the stretching, so you can read this book. And choosing right method depends upon the patient condition, pain level, and your assessment as well. It's not that you just give the stretching. You have to assess the patient and why you are giving the stretching technique to that patient. So understanding muscle anatomy before stretching is a must, because you should know the origin, insertion, and the function of the patient, that muscle, and the nerve supply also. Otherwise, while stretching, you can actually hamper the nerves and you can pull the muscles. And therapist position is matters, because while giving the stretching, you should also take care of yourself, and you should see that both the therapist and patient should be safe during the procedure. So stretching isn't always the best solution. So this book emphasizes more on this, that muscle tightness may be protective, and stretching is only when indicated. And do not overstretch or hypermobile or hypermobile the patient. There are therapists which I know and who just give stretching every time because they think stretching might help. But there are some conditions in which if you do stretching, it actually causes an inflammation and the other tears also, and it can uh, be harm for the patient as well. So you should know that which type of stretching and which stretching you should give. And communication is the key, so enhance your communication skills while you're stretching. Just ask the patient and try to get the feedback as long as you are doing the stretching as well, not after the stretching, just during the stretching as well. So that's for the book. So therapeutic stretching is an excellent practical manual for physiotherapists and trainers out there, and it has clear pictures, simple language, this clinically proven and clinically relevant techniques that makes it one of the best technique guide out there. Because if you want to stretch a single muscle, there are many ways of stretching a single muscle. Even if you, so for the example, if you want to stretch the calf muscle, you can do it in supine, you can do it in prone also, you can do it in standing also, you can do it in sitting also. So you have to know what is the best for your patient. So take care guys, see you in next videos, and thank you so much guys for watching this reviews of book. And I'm just helping you to is more, or to read you more books that you should read more books on these topics so that you can get to know about your own body. Take care and see you in next video. Till then, share this video or just tell the people that I am doing this book review, because this is a medical book review, and I don't think there are many channels who are doing medical book reviews. You know, you can find the Alchemist book in other reviewers also, but you cannot find the therapeutic stretching book in the other physiotherapist reviews, because I haven't found any physiotherapist who was doing book reviews. So maybe you will find those in futures. So take care and see you in the next video. Till then, keep subscribing and keep reading the books. Bye bye.